Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. So as you can see from the title, I will be doing some DIY decors. Now I just wanted to give a little intro on where I got this idea from. Basically I was reorganizing the study, cleaning it up, trying to make it more of a space that I felt creative in, was really motivated in, and I wanted it to be a place that I could film YouTube videos in. So I kind of got thinking of what I could put in the background to make things look quite like, you know, organic and normal, but just cute things to kind of jazz it up. So I started looking online and I found a bunch of things that I really wanted to buy, but some of the stuff was from a US site, so I kind of thought, okay, I don't really want to wait for the delivery to Australia, and it was kind of expensive, so I thought, why don't I do it myself? So this is how this idea was born. Now I've picked 3 things that I'm going to redo, and I'm going to also break it up into 3 videos just so it's nice and concise for each one. And it's going to kind of be like a little tutorial, I suppose, but just more documenting what I did. And hopefully I can make it pretty easy so I can do it again, and if you want to give it a shot, you can too. So first DIY is going to be a painting. I'll show you what I've been inspired by and all of the things that I've chosen or that I found online. I'm not going to copy it in any way, I'm just going to get inspiration from it, but then come up with my own idea for what I want to create. Show you my inspiration and then let's get started. I've just got my laptop here, so I will put the inspiration right here. These were all from urbanoutfitters.com. But yeah, so this first one, I really just like the abstract shapes and the colors as well. That navy blue color is really nice since I will be using that color. I liked the, again, the circle shapes, and I also half circle and the like transparency of like that middle circle as well. I love that blush pink color. I'll be using pink in this because I love pink. This one I thought was really cute because of the little faces, and it's really unique. My moods. I really like the circle shape, and it kind of looks like there's another shape cut out of where that tide line is. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm going to use to do this painting, and let's just get started. What you will want to do is draw up what you want to put on your canvas. And what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to use 3 colors only because I don't want to go overboard. Swear to God, if this looks like a 3-year-old drew it, I ain't gonna be happy. I have a feeling it might. Okay, I have an idea. I'm going to keep this line here where I'm going to keep my 2 color blocks. I don't even think that line is straight. Oh my God. Circle as inspiration that I got from the photos, and I'm going to do 2 half circles, one above the line and one below the line, and they're going to be 2 different colors, and the color in the background is going to be the color opposite to it. I hope that makes sense, but I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but basically I've done 2 half circles there and there, and what I'm going to do is whatever color this one will be, this background will be, So everyone, this is the final product. Simple, but that was the whole point of this video, so anyone could do it, especially a beginner, which is basically me when it comes to DIY. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below in the comments if there's any other suggestions that you would want me to do for a DIY. You can see my pretty little painting is chilling up there. And what I will do at the very end of all the DIYs is do like a little study tour just so you can see how everything works in unison. Thanks for watching. Bye!